how to fix Valorant client error easy and quick. If you want to fix this error, it's easy. First, just type here Windows, this one, Windows Update Settings, and after that click check for updates. And here just make sure to install all the updates that you can find here, and then just close it. And now you need to open Riot Games folder, and right, here is it. And if you can't find it, just right click on Valorant, open file location, go to Riot Games here, and here we'll find Valorant, and that's it. Then live, right click on Valorant here, go to properties, compatibility, and enable those two options. You will find it like that: enable administrator and full screen, apply and OK. And after that, go to shooter game, binaries with 64, scroll down, right click on Valorant, and then go to properties, compatibility, and enable those two options, apply and OK. And then just turn off your Windows security, click here, manage settings, and turn it off. And that's it. I hope that can help you, and see you in the next video.